Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about frequently asked models on vernier calipers and screw gauge. The first question is like this. Vernier calipers is having 1 millimeter marks on main scale. That means 1 MSD value is equal to 1 mm on main scale, and you are given like this. It has 20 equal divisions on the vernier scale which match with 16 main scale divisions. That means we are having 20 VSD, that is equal to 16 MSD. That means 1 VSD value is equal to 16 by 20 MSD, or that implies, now you know least count formula is like this: 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, so that 1 MSD minus 1 VSD value is 16 by 20 MSD, or this will be equal to simply 4 by 20 of MSD, or that will be equal to 1 by 5 of MSD, or that will be equal to 0.2 of MSD, and 1 MSD value is given as 1 mm, so that this will be equal to 0.2 into 1 mm, that will be equal to 0.2 mm. That will be the least count of this particular vernier calipers. Now the next question is like this. The vernier scale of a traveling microscope is having 50 divisions which coincide with 49 main scale divisions. That means 50 VSD is equal to 49 MSD. So that 1 VSD value, that will be equal to 49 by 50 of MSD, or least count, that will be equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, or this will be equal to 1 MSD minus 49 by 50 of MSD, or this will be equal to 1 by 50 of MSD, or 1 MSD value is given as 0.5 mm, or I can write like this: 5 into 10 to the power of minus 1 mm by 50, or this will be equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 mm, or this will be equal to 0.01 mm. So that will be the least count, or we'll call that as minimum accuracy of the measurement in distance using that vernier scale. Now look at this question. When the two jaws of vernier calipers are in touch, 0 of the vernier scale lies to the right of 0 of the main scale. That means, if suppose we are assuming this as 0 of the main scale, then 0 of the vernier scale is to the right of main scale. That means we'll call this as positive error. This 0 error is positive 0 error. And look at this, you are given like this: vernier constant. Vernier constant is nothing but least count. Its value is 0.1 mm. So that vernier constant into number of vernier divisions, that gives the error. This gives error, so that our vernier constant is 0.1 mm into the division that is coinciding is 3, so that this will be 0.3 mm. So that will be the error. So since that is a positive error, we have to make negative correction. So the correction is negative, and hence I can say like this: the negative correction, so that answer is minus 0.3 mm. We are asked for correction, so that this will be minus 0.3 mm. So that is how you have to answer this question. The next question is like this. The diameter of a cylinder is measured using a vernier calipers with no zero error. It is found that zero of the vernier scale lies between 5.10 centimeter and 5.15 centimeter. That means one main scale division value, I can say like this, that is 5.15 centimeter minus 5.10 centimeter, that will be simply 0.05 centimeter. The vernier scale has 50 divisions equal to 2.545 centimeters on main scale. See, for one main scale value we are having 0.05 centimeters of length, so that if I divide this 2.45 centimeter with 0.05 centimeter, that gives 49 MSD, that is main scale divisions. This 49 MSD is equal to 50 VSD as per the question, that is vernier scale divisions. So 1 VSD value, that will be equal to 49 by 50 MSD. So once you know this, then you can identify the least count. The least count is nothing but 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, that will be equal to 1 MSD minus 49 by 50 MSD, or this will be equal to 1 by 50 of MSD, or 1 by 50 into 1 MSD, it is 0.05 centimeters. So that I can write like this, 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 centimeters, or this will be 10 power of minus 3 centimeters, 0.001 centimeter. Now look at this, as per your question it is given like this. The value lies between 5.10 and 5.15, so that the main scale reading is 5.10 and least count is 0.001 centimeter, and the vernier coincidence is given as 24, so that the reading will be like this: MSR plus VC into vernier coincidence, that will be equal to 5.10 plus 0.001 into 24, or this will be equal to 5.124 centimeters. So that will be your answer. The next question is like this. When a screw gauge is completely closed, zero of the circular scale is 7 divisions above the reference line graduation. Suppose this is our reference line, so 7 lines are above the or reference line. So when we are having above such an error, you will call that as negative error in the case of screw gauge, and the corresponding correction what you have to do is, that will be positive correction. Now we are asked to find that zero error. Here our error is negative zero error. So error can be identified with least count into number of lines that are above our reference line. Least count is given as 0.001 centimeter into 7, or this will be equal to 0.007 centimeters. You have to keep a negative sign over here. Because that is a negative error. The next question is like this. In an experiment, angles are required to measure using an instrument. 29 divisions of the main scale are exactly coinciding with the 30 divisions of vernier scale. So 30 divisions of vernier scale are coinciding with 29 divisions of main scale, or one vernier scale division value that will be equal to 29 by 30 of main scale divisions, and the least count will be equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, or that will be equal to 1 MSD minus 29 by 30 MSD, or that will be equal to 1 by 30 of MSD. And in your question, 1 MSD value is given as half degree. Half degree is nothing but 30 minutes. So that if you substitute that over here, 1 by 30 into 30 minutes, that will be equal to 1 minute. So least count of this instrument is 1 minute. That is how you have to solve this question. The next question is like this. A student measured the diameter of a small steel ball using a screw gauge of least count. The least count of the screw gauge is given as 0.001 centimeter. The main scale reading is 5 mm. MSR value is given as 5 mm, or I can write like this, 0.5 centimeter. And 0 of the circular division coincides with the 25 divisions above the reference line, so that it is above our reference line. So number of lines that are above our reference line is 25, and the screw gauge is having a negative zero error, so that zero error is negative. We are having a negative error of minus 0.004 centimeters. That means we have to make a positive correction. We have to add this. Then you are asked to identify the diameter of the ball. So the diameter of the ball will be like this. Reading is nothing but MSR plus VC into least count, or that will be equal to MSR plus number of lines. Vernier coincidence is nothing but number of lines into LC, or this will be equal to 0.5 centimeters plus 25 into 0.001, or this will be equal to 0.525. And since the error is a negative error, you have to make that positive correction. You have to add 0.004 for this in order to identify the corrected value, so that this will be 0.529 centimeters. So that the correct reading will be 0.529 centimeters. The next question is like this. There is a screw gauge of pitch of 0.5 mm and circular scale with 50 divisions is used to measure the thickness of the thin sheet. If you are given like this, in such situations you have to identify the least count using pitch by number of divisions on circular scale. Pitch is given as 0.5 mm and number of divisions is 50, so that this will be equal to 0.01 mm. Now it is found that when the two jaws of the screw gauge brought in contact, the 45th division coincides with the main scale line. If suppose this is our main scale line, 45th division is coinciding, that means above will have only 5 lines because the total number of divisions are 50, so that the number of lines above our reference line is 5. If you are asked to identify the thickness by giving main scale reading, when there is no object, we are having 5 lines above, so that the error is negative error. Least count into n, that will be a 0.05 centimeters, that is the negative error. Now when the object is placed, the main scale reading value is given as 0.5 mm and the number that is coinciding is 25. so that the reading will be 0.5 plus least count is 0.01 into number of divisions is 25, or this will be 0.5 plus 0.25, or this will be 0.75 mm, and the given error is a negative error, so you have to make a positive correction. That means you have to add 0.05 to this, so that you will get the answer as 0.80 mm. So this will be your final answer. The next question will be like this. On measuring diameter of a wire with the help of a screw gauge, the main scale reading is given as 1 mm, and sixth division of the circular scale is lying over the reference line, so that it is lying over the reference line, n is given as 6. And in this question the least count is not mentioned. If the least count is not mentioned, then you have to take the standard value, it is 0.01 mm, and since this is lying over, the error will be a negative error, that will be equal to least count into number 0.01 into 6, or this will be equal to 0.06 mm. So when you are having a negative error, definitely you have to make a positive correction. Now it is found that 0 of the circular scale has advanced by 3 reference lines. One reference line is having a value of 1 mm, so that I am having 3 reference lines, so that the main scale reading, when the object is placed, the main scale reading value will be 3 mm, and on circular scale has advanced 3 divisions, so that number of lines that are advanced is 3, so that the vernier coincidence is 3, so the reading will be equal to MSR plus VC into LC, that will be equal to 3 mm plus vernier coincidence, that is nothing but our number 3, into least count is 0.01, or this will be 3 plus 0.03, that is nothing but 3.03 mm, and since this is a negative error, you have to make a positive correction. That means you have to add 0.06 to this, so that this will be 3.09 mm. So our final answer will be 3.09 mm. So that is how you have to solve this question. So these are some frequently asked models on vernier calipers and screw gauge. If you are a new subscriber, once go with the theory what we discussed in our previous videos. Please suggest this channel to your friends, well-wishers and students who are aiming for JEE Mains and NEET. Surely it will help them. Thank you.